Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be trying out a way to do your eyebrows but not say it's done because of a TikTok hack. So I'm not sure if you're on the same page with me, but without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, the first thing that you want to do is get yourself your foundation. What you're going to do with your foundation is then dab it onto your brow, and thereafter we're going to fill it in. So we're going to just try and see whether this method works. Apparently it makes the application a whole lot smoother and you don't even know that your eyebrow is done. And plus too, it looks like the eye pencil or the pomade or the eyeliner is like blending in onto your own skin. So that's an upside because no one wants to tell anybody that their eyebrow is done. So this is why I wanted to try it, so I could give you guys like a whole nice review about it. So let's just hop in. Okay, so I've got my foundation here. I'm just going to smear it all around. I'm only going to do this with one brow and then the other one we'll see what you can do. So you're going to dab it all over the brow. Okay, because this product I'm just going to bring down onto the eye. It's like water coverage. Thereafter I'm going in with my pencil. And now with my spoolie, I'm just going to and now I just want to go in and just set my brow. For the cleaning up process, I'm just going to wow, no, really wow. See that I did my eyebrows. No, like seriously guys, look at this one and look at this one. You're not going to say because there's literally no extra color. Normally I go in and clean up with a lighter color, but this looks like my natural eyebrow. So guys, on this side I'm going to go in with the eye pencil only. Like I'm not going to put the foundation on it. So now, with my spoolie, to clean up. here you can literally see the brick in the eyeshadow, and this one you cannot. So I'm just going to go in and set my brow. So here you can see this one is like too neat and this one looks so natural. I'm still going to take this one over that one. So guys, that was the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another amazing TikTok hack. I'm out, guys.